The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 makes tables a thing of the past. I can't believe it any more than you can, but it's true. So with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, as Samsung addressed quite a lot of shortcomings of its predecessor, they update the camera, bringing it on par with their S-series counterpart. They increased the width in the phone so the cover screen is not so claustrophobic. They also fixed the battery life despite not upgrading the capacity thanks to a more efficient chipset. Samsung has practically perfected the foldable phone, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to surpass existing versions in 2023. The performance and the perfection is better than any of their competitors, and Qualcomm also proves its point with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with 7.9-inch foldable Dynamic AMOLED 2X display and 6.2-inch cover display. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 came with the 5000 mAh power battery, and even this time Samsung also updated the charging speed at 45 watt, which will charge your Z Fold 5 within 45 minutes. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be even better than the current models. For Samsung to make the ultimate foldable phone, there are 4 key things it needs to do. No visible crease. As impressive as Samsung foldable screens are, the company hasn't cracked the crease with it being visible and something you can feel when you swipe across the display. Report out of South Korea claims that Samsung isn't feeling too confident about the sales prospects of its 2023 foldable lineup. At a glance, the sales figures look bullish, with Samsung predicting to ship 10 million Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 units in 2023. The company expects 2 million units shipped for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and 8 million for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung continue to use Snapdragon chips only for its foldable, and this trend are expected to continue next year. Samsung is likely being conservative with its production plan, so that it doesn't end up with a lot of unsold inventory. Recent report highlighted that Samsung is stuck with 50 million unsold phones. It has already cut production of existing models by 30 million units to deal with the situation. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was introduced on August 10, 2022, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 on August 11, 2021. For the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, early to mid-August appears likely. As each of these announcements fell on a Wednesday, we predict that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be released on August 9, 2023. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.